So I'm starting with freshly shampooed and conditioned hair, and I'm just spraying some leave-in conditioner in here. And I'm going to take a wide tooth comb and comb it through, make sure I got all my tangles out and that the conditioner, the leave-in conditioner, is saturated through my hair. So because I have not had a relaxer in probably about about a year. I'm growing out a cut. I had a short cut, and when I had my cut, I had a relaxer. But since I've been growing it out, I haven't had my short cut in about a year or almost a year. But anyhow, as you can see, I have a lot of new growth, and it's very hard, as a natural to make a sleek ponytail. So my little trick, or what I like to do, is to break it down in sections. So I do the middle first, and then I'm going to go ahead and pull the outside into my ponytail to make it nice and sleek. But that's how, if you have a lot of really thick hair, or if you're natural, that is how you're going to get a sleek bun. Number one, you have to do it on wet hair, but number two, you want to do it in sections, and that's the best way to get a nice sleek bun on thick hair or natural hair. And I'm just using my favorite Eco Styler gel. I like the one in the red. I don't know what that one's called. I think it has argan oil in it, but I like to use that one. And I'm going to go ahead and use that to slick up the back of my hair, especially because some of it is really too short for this bun. But hey, we're going to make it work. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and use my gel and slick up the back and put that in a ponytail, and then I'm going to do the front. But I did the back in a separate section because it is pretty short, and I wanted to try to get as much of the back of my hair up into my ponytail as I could. So we're on our last little ponytail at the top. We're finally done. Y'all, I was so tired this night. I didn't feel like washing my hair, but it was so dirty. I had a long day. I had wigs to make. I worked out. My child driving me crazy. I have a 2-year-old. So yeah, by the time I did this, I was already over it. But yeah, this ponytail really just worked my arms, honey. But yeah, I was over it for the baby hair, so that's why they look crazy right now. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and wrap my hair into a little bun up there. And I'm going to tie my hair with a scarf, and I'm just going to let it dry overnight, and we'll finish the bun in the morning. Of course, if I was going somewhere, or if this was earlier in the day, I would have went ahead and sat under the hooded dryer, but it was late. I wasn't going anywhere, so I just like to let it dry overnight. So it's the next day. I done got cute. I done got some rest. And our bun is slayed. Well, our hair is laid, rather. We're about to do our bun. So I'm going to take some track hair that I had, just some scrap hair. This is the blowout texture from my extension line, Glam by Nita Extensions. And this is, I believe it's either 14 or 16 inches. It's like half a bundle. I just took that, and I'm going to bobby pin it around my little bun up there to make our new bun. So I'm just going to secure the tracks with bobby pins. I don't really like to use a lot of bobby pins because they irritate my scalp. You know how it is through the day, the bobby pins start to shift in and start itching your scalp. So I use one at the very beginning when I'm starting the track, and then I use one at the end to secure the end of the track. And that should be good enough. So I'm going to take the tracks and pull it up over my bun to cover my bun up. I'm going to take a rubber band and do a little ponytail up there. So we're going to take that ponytail and spread it around to cover our bun in the center. So if you used to do a donut back in the day, you would do this just like you used to do a donut. So we're going to take the hair and just, as you can see, I'm using one hand to hold the hair over that bun, and I'm using my other hand to just wrap the hair around the bun. I know it sounds complicated, but as you can see, it's very easy. So you just wrap it around, and I'm taking that end of the extensions and just tucking it. And voila. So I'm just going to take some bobby pins and secure it and kind of make sure I have all of the hair covering that center bun and make sure everything looks nice and neat. I only use about 3 bobby pins to secure it, just to make sure that no flyaways or the hair didn't go anywhere. But it's really, really secure on its own. Like I said, I don't like a lot of bobby pins. So if you're like me and you don't like a lot of bobby pins, this is again the perfect style for you. And there we have it, the perfect, cute hairstyle. While we're on quarantine, this is easy. You can do it at home or anytime you just want a cute little simple bun. Perfect, easy hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.